Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, I am Amber of Unique Upcycles, and a few videos ago I did mention that I was really close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. I have since hit that mark, so thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. In celebration of that, I'm going to be doing a giveaway today, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. I will be going over what the prizes are, the rules, and everything to enter. Speaking of today's video, I am going to be making over a dresser that has been with me my entire life. It is the dresser that my parents purchased for my nursery way back in '87. I had it as a little kid, and then it went to my brother when he was born, and then about 10 years ago, I think I ended up with it when I moved into my current house. I think I had an IKEA dresser that had just lived its life and it was completely falling apart and I needed one, so I took it. I did do the horrendous stain job that is currently on this dresser, but we all have to start somewhere, so I will be reversing that mistake. I'm actually going to be keeping this one. I'm pretty attached to it. I'm going to be turning it into a sideboard in my living room to replace another IKEA piece of furniture that I currently have, the good old IKEA cube calyx bookshelf thing that I'm sure we've all had some variation of in our homes at some point in the last 10 to 15 years. So that guy, it's time for him to go, and we're going to replace him. I'm also going to be using DIY Wife's base tutorial and adding a base to this dresser, so I will be linking her tutorial video in the description below. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to do any voiceovers. I just picked some good music for you guys to listen to, and you can just watch me work and hang out. At the end of the video though, I will pop back on and go over what the prizes and the rules are for the giveaway. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. So you don't feel the cold, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, way back when.
Okay, so before we get into the final reveal, I want to go over what the prizes and the rules are for the giveaway. So, first off, most important, prizes. You guys are going to be able to pick a pint of any Melange color of your choice. This just happens to be Paradise, but you can pick any color that they offer on their website, so one pint. And I'm also going to include their small and large natural bristle brushes. So you get the pint plus the 2 brushes. It's the perfect little starter set if you are new or if you just wanted to try out Melange. So that is going to be the prizes. The rules to enter, it is going to be only open to residents of the US, and that's just because of the crazy shipping restrictions for paint and international and customs and duty charges and all that stuff. So my international subscribers, I will try to get you guys in the next giveaway. There will definitely be more in the future. So to enter the contest, you are going to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then leave a comment below what state you are from. And so that's the way I know that you guys are entering the contest and not just kind of mixed in with all the other comments. So thank you so much for everybody that has subscribed again. This contest will be open until next Friday, noon Pacific Standard Time, and then I will pin the winner's comment and get in contact with you for your color and shipping information. So now that you guys have all of that information, let's go ahead and check out the final reveal. Alright, before we take a look at the final product, let's look back and remember at what I started with here. This old, terribly stained, pretty beat up dresser I've had my entire life. And here is the completed look. Once again, check out DIY Wife's tutorial on how I made this base. Let me know if you guys think that you can make it. It really wasn't that hard.
We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. Way back when, way back.
As always, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next weekend.